Paint types and terms explained. Paint is defined as a substance that, when applied to a surface, makes a film. This can be white, black, colored, or clear. It is made of pigments which are suspended or dissolved in a vehicle or binder, along with other compounds. Paints are classified by their bases/vehicles/binders. These can either be water, oil, varnish, or some type of synthetic resin. Oil paints. These are made of a pigment suspended in linseed oil, a dryer, which is a compound that helps it to dry, and a mineral spirit or other types of thinners. They are not very durable and have a very strong odor. Subsequently, oil-based paints have now been replaced by alkyds. Alkyd paints are modified oil paints. They are made with pigments dissolved in oil resins which have been modified. When compared to oil-based paints, alkyd paints dry quicker, more evenly, and cure harder. They are good for both interior and exterior applications. However, when compared to latex exterior paints, they do not hold color as long and tend to yellow over time. The fumes of some alkyd paints are odorless, but are toxic and flammable until they are dry. Latex paints are water-based. Earlier, we established that paints have binders/vehicles. Latex paint binders/vehicles are synthetic materials. They vary in hardness, flexibility, and gloss retention. There are various types of latex binders. One such binder is pure acrylic. Latex paints are easier to apply than oils and alkyds. They are free from solvent odor. They have a faster drying and recoating time. They are blister and peel resistant so long as they are applied correctly. They are easier to clean up, just soap and water. They pose minimal risk as fire hazards. Exterior latex are durable with good color and gloss retention. They tend to breathe. Consequently, they allow moisture to escape rather than build up behind the film and cause blistering and peeling. Latex paints must be applied above freezing, usually about 50 degrees Fahrenheit or above. There are various finishes/sheens or lusters available in both latex and alkyd paints, some of which are flat/matte, satin, eggshell, semi-gloss, gloss/high gloss. We will go into more detail with each in another lesson. Now let's look at flame retardant paints. Flame retardant paints are different from conventional paints in that they slow down the rate of combustion. That is how quickly fire can get started or spread on the substrate that is painted. They are specified for all public buildings, such as office buildings and hotels. These paints have flame ratings. A flame retardant paint applied to a less combustible substrate, such as cement board, will have a lower flame rating than one that is applied to a more combustible substrate, such as wood. It is important to check for the flame retardant ratings and specifications for your specific country or situation. Enamels are pigmented paints that produce a hard, usually glossy, durable finish when dry. They are usually used for coating outdoor surfaces or surfaces that are subjected to harsh conditions. Enamels come in semi-gloss and gloss sheens. Primer is the first coat applied to a surface in preparation for the final finish. Some primers serve as sealers for porous surfaces, such as wood, drywall, and gypsum boards. Priming surfaces prevents the waste of paint on otherwise absorbent surfaces. Some finish coats are self-priming. Solvents are liquids that dissolve the resin or other binders in paints. They are usually mineral spirits for oil and alkyd paints, water for latex paints, alcohol for shellac, lacquer thinners for lacquer. These solvents are used to thin the paints and for cleaning paint supplies. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.